Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube. I try to give you the information I can in as short a period of time as you can. I do, first of all, thank everyone for the referrals. I worked for IRS for many, many years. I've been doing this for 51 years. I do a number of videos out just to help the public so they can at least get the truth from a former IRS agent. You know, a lot of people right now get wrong 1099s, and sometimes you can't go ahead and change the 1099, or for some reason the company doesn't want to change it, or they're lost. So let me explain, or they're gone, they're just gone, you can't get it. Let me explain what you do. You don't have to put up with that, but you can correct that on your tax return. You'll show the 1099 that you received it. You'll make a notation, your accountant and you should know how to do this. If not, you can use someone at our firm. And then you have to show this information. You want to keep a little log of what you try to do. Number one, try to call 3 times. Keep a log. You either talk to someone or they were out of business. After you try 3 times, you write a certified letter. Usually they get returned, or you get no answer, or there's nothing. Keep a copy of the certified letter. At that point in time, when you can't get nothing, you can go ahead and then take that packaging and say, hey, I tried to call them. Here's the certified letter. They wouldn't get back to me. This is the amount of money that I made for that company. And you want to put that in a little affidavit form, and you want to just go ahead and sign it. If you know the company's out of business and you have some documentation like online, or you can print something out, you want to put a copy on that. So you just want to show IRS that you did everything you can, and then put the amount of money that you received. If IRS comes out, it's very simple. Hey, I called them, I couldn't get nothing. I wrote them a letter, they wouldn't get back with me. This is the amount of money that I got from them. If you know the dates and time, the more specific you are, the better it is. Anyway, that's how that game is played. You'll be most of the time, the highest percentage you'll believe you'll be successful. Anyway, if you would, please give me a subscription. I always appreciate you. Thank you very much.